Hello everyone, my name is Maria and today we will explore a typical British kitchen as there are so many wonders there. Curious? Let's get started then. So, how many different tools or utensils have you got in your kitchen? Do you know that, for example, a whisk has been very popular only since 1963? It was invented much earlier, but only then it became a must. What did people use before that? A knife or a fork? So, let's count. How many different things have you got in your kitchen? How many of them do you use to make your breakfast? How many? 10? More? Let's watch a video about English pancakes. What is used there? Look at the screen and choose what you think they will use to make the pancakes. Well, maybe. We'll check it now. Let's watch the video and count the utensils used.
You will need the following ingredients to serve 4 people. 180 grams of flour, 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, 200 milliliters of milk, 75 milliliters of water, 30 grams of melted butter, some extra butter for frying, and for the garnish, some castor sugar, and 1 lemon halved. Here is a quick list of the ingredients. You will also need the following utensils: a bowl, a whisk, a frying pan, a serving plate, a spoon, a ladle, and a sieve. Step 2. Make the batter. Begin by sifting the flour into a bowl. This will help to make the pancakes light as air. Now add the salt, the sugar, the eggs, the milk, the water, and the butter. And whisk it together until it becomes a smooth batter. Step 3. Cook the pancakes. Place the frying pan over a medium to high heat and allow it to warm through. When hot, add a little bit of the melted butter, and then 3/4 of a ladle of the batter. Move the mixture around so that the batter spreads evenly over the pan. Let it brown underneath for about 30 seconds. It's very important that it doesn't stick to the pan. Step 4. Toss the pancake. Give it a little shake to release it from the bottom. Flip the pancake over. Don't worry if you can't do it the first time. Practice makes perfect. Cook it for a few seconds more and remove. Place the pancake flat on a serving plate.
Okay, so how many utensils are needed? I counted 7. A bowl, a whisk, a frying pan, a serving plate, a tablespoon to measure, a ladle, and a sieve. Have we named everything? Seems so. Now, let's play a game and practice these words. Done? Good job! Now, let's return to the kitchen. Find 3 items we never mentioned. Find how to say them in English and make up your sentences with them. For example, we never mentioned a chopping board. And I use my chopping board every day, even to make sandwiches. What about you? It's your turn now to make up the sentences. If you can, read your sentences to your friends and listen to theirs. What is this important kitchen item? How often do you use it? What do you do? Anyway, that's it for today. Take care and see you soon.